Hello, this is Martin Brossman, and this is a step-by-step guide on how to register for our AI for Business Professional Training 8-week program online, filled with outstanding high-quality information that will really give you a foundation of AI for your career, for your small business, for your professional life. The investment's $125. And I'm going to show you how to register today. Tom, thanks for working with me to demonstrate how to register for our 8-week AI for Professionals training. The link here is down below. So click it, it'll get you to this page faster. So Tom, you start by looking in the upper right-hand corner and you'll see the search box on the upper right there. And then type in just AI. With no space.
All right, there we go.
And there we go. Now you go to the page with the course. Now there's several things I want to show on this course. Dom, would you click the little course number there? You'll see right at the top. That's the specific course number. Yeah, click that and another window will open up. Excellent. This gives you a little bit more information and details on the class. You'll know more data. Of course, my link below on my own website gives you much more information about the class, unless you came from that already. So that's good. You can close this. So this isn't the one you use to register, but it gives a little more information. Now, to register, you go over on the right-hand side and you click Select. Select on the right-hand side. Excellent. It opens up another window, and there you're going to click Add Section, Add Section. Once it's done, then you go to the upper right where the word Next is and click that.
Yes, that's a little confusing. There's a little thing that says at the top, BAS blah blah has been added to your cart. So you just click Next.
Yeah.
All right, so we go Next.
Right.
There we
then you'll fill this in. And now, Tom, I'm going to gray out your contact information, okay, for people, but I'll talk about it. You have to fill in all the blocks that have a star next to them. And this is getting you registered. Now, if you already have been registered and you're part of the school, you can sign in and then take it from there and look it up. But this is for someone who's never registered at this school before. So you'll fill in the data that you're putting in here. And I know it's a lot of data, but since this is a state-run school, they do require more information than some programs need. So you have to fill in every single one that has a little star.
Okay. Now it says, okay, hit submit.
Now, so if it doesn't submit, you have to go through and double check each one of the stars to see which one you left out. Yep, click submit now. Yeah, it's submit.
I'm glad I only have to do this once.
For the best AI training out there. There we go.
Really? It's going to be good training too.
Yes, it is.
Education goal, enhance employment skills.
Right, good.
How you learn about this class. Friend recommended it.
Yeah.
Reason for taking, explore new interests.
That's good. Then click submit. Yep.
All right.
Now what occurs is this page shows up, and at this point, you'll select the payment method and then see the amount, which is $125 for the 8-week program. And then if you just click the down arrow there, please select, select your payment method on the right-hand side.
Oh, this one. Yeah, I got you.
Okay, then you put in, of course, what the payment method is. Then you can click proceed to payment and then pay now. And Tom, most people know how to take it from here. It's a
good. That's good.
School site, and this is the information. Also, check the links below if you came to this directly to learn more about the class and the information. And thanks, Tom, so much for walking through the process required to register for our class.
Why, certainly, Martin. It's for a good cause.
Yeah, thank you.
AI is so great, man. There's so much going on. And Martin knows a lot about it, guys. You should go check out this course. It's going to be good.
Yeah, like we say, it's not AI will take your job, but someone with your same skills who also is utilizing AI may.
And there you go. That's exactly right. So be up on it.